Hey everybody, it's Topwater Johnny, and in this video, I'll be fishing with the lure that I caught my biggest bass ever on, the LunkerHunt Link. Let's check it out. Whoa, there we go. Yeah! Woo, holy cow, folks. Topwater Johnny here, man. This is what we came here for. Look at that. Get back here. Look at that right there. That's the kind of beast that we came here for. Hey everybody, it's Topwater Johnny. Look at that beast right there, baby. I think I won the tournament with that one right there. I am the one with this one. Hey everybody, it's Topwater Johnny here. I want to welcome you to the next video here. In this video, we're going to be looking at and fishing with the LunkerHunt Link Walking Bait. And this is a really special bait for me because this is the lure, the topwater lure, that I caught my personal best and my biggest bass ever in my bass fishing life. So I'm really excited to share with you the footage from that, as well as some other clips of me fishing with the LunkerHunt Link. Now, down here in Florida, it is really hot right now, and the fishing during the day can be really slow. I've gotten out early in the morning, so I'm really working on creating some more footage for you guys in the next coming weeks down the road. But for right now, I have some footage of me fishing with the LunkerHunt Link from some past fishing episodes that have never really been published, but I want to share with you. So you're going to get to see a video of me catching my biggest bass ever, as well as some other footage of me fishing with the LunkerHunt Link. But the first thing that we're going to do is do a quick review of the LunkerHunt Link, and then I'll come back and give you my final thoughts. Okay, here we are. This is the LunkerHunt Link Walking Bait. As you can see, I have three different models here. I have the one in the snake pattern, the bluegill pattern, and then of course in the shad pattern. They're all a little beat up because I definitely use them and I fish them a lot, so you can see that the paint will fade on these in accordance to usage and also fish strikes. The links in themselves are 4.5 inches long. The weight is a 1/4 ounce, and as you can see right here, they're all connected with their own little lynch pin right here, which allows these to flow freely between the two, and they look like a fleeing fish. They've got 3 treble hooks, so that allows for improved hookup ratio. And as you can see, with each of these, the bottom of them, which is what the bass sees, and the snake, it's orange. It's got a bluegill on this one, a little yellow, a little bluish there, and then of course clear on the bottom here is white for that shad look. Each of these have great action, great movement. This is definitely a lure that I can definitely recommend that everyone should have in their tackle box because it matches the hatch, moves great, walks the dog with really no effort, and it definitely will get bit and will get struck if bass are nearby. Okay, well everybody, well there was your closer look of the LunkerHunt Link Walking Bait, and I'll just show it to you here once again. Show it to you one more time here, that LunkerHunt Link Walking Bait right there. It even has rattles in it as well. Other thing I wanted to share with you that I didn't talk about in the closer look is that you can buy one of these at Tackle Warehouse, and as of today of this recording, the price at Tackle Warehouse is $11.99 to $12.99. And this right here, this lure, and there's that bluegill right there. There's that bluegill, got the rattles in it. And here is the snake pattern right here. Got the rattles in it as well. There's actually a bigger version of it, which I was surprised about. Mine is at 4.5 inches long, and then there's a bigger one that is a little over 5.5 inches long as well. But I got the smaller one because it matched the hatch. And that's really one of the things that when it comes to topwater lure fishing and really fishing with topwater is that you want to try to match the hatch as much as possible. You want to also be aware of what the bass in your area are hitting on. Sometimes it's dragonflies. They'll chase insects. They're chasing minnows. They're chasing frogs. They're chasing snakes. Be aware of what your bass are foraging for and what they are hitting. And sometimes bass will hit anything, and sometimes they will only look up above and see certain things and go after it, and other things they're frightened of. So that's why it's so important for you to match the hatch and really think about which lure to use. But as far as a lure that I would say is an excellent one, it's this one right here. This is just a great lure. As I said before, you've got three hookups, three treble hooks. That will improve your hookup ratio immensely. So here's what I want to do. I'm going to go ahead now and we're going to move to the video here. And in the video that you're about to watch, you're going to see me catch my personal best, and you're going to see me use these different versions of the LunkerHunt Link in different pattern colors to catch bass. So that's what you're going to see in the next piece here of this video here. At the end of the video, I'm going to ask something special of you, which I'll ask of you right now. That is, in the comments below, please put in there the biggest bass you've ever caught and on what lure. That is the biggest bass you've ever caught and on what lure. Put that in the comment section below, because each and every one of us that's a bass fisherman remembers that big fish that we caught on that lure. And so for me, it's really cool to be able to share with you that moment in my life when I caught my biggest bass and the lure. And it was definitely the LunkerHunt Link right here. That's the one it was. So go ahead, do that below. Also, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell notification, and just enjoy the rest of this video here as I fish with the LunkerHunt Link Walking Bait. All right. There we go. All right. That's a good one. Woo! This is going to be a good one. There we go, folks. Keep it. Get him up. There we go. There we go. Whew. Look at this. Whew. Oh, wow. Look at this monster. Oh my God. Look at the size of this behemoth. Oh, wow. Oh my God. Look at that. On the link. On the link. This big boy. Whew. Woo. That, I can't even hold him out far enough. Let me lay him down. Whew. Look at this boy. Look at this boy. He is huge. Oh my goodness. Let's get away on this girl. Oh. Whew. Personal best. 5.84. This is a monster. This is a Topwater beast right here. He is a monster. Oh, that we came here for. Let's look at that. Get back here. Look at that right there. That's the kind of beast that we came here for. 5.76. This is my personal best. Biggest fish yet. Caught on the Lunker's Link. Popping it. That's what this is about right here. Wow. All right. There we go. There we go. Woo! There she goes. There we go. There we go. There we go. There we go. All right. There we go, everybody. All right. We got him. All right. Woo. There it is, everybody. There is my fish. And I got him. I got him on this right here, on that LunkerHunt Link. There we go. There we go. There we go, folks. Nice one. There we go. There we go. All right. There we go. All right, everybody. We got one here. Everybody, you can take a look there. I got that one on another one of the LunkerHunt links right there. So that was good to go. All right. Got in those weeds. And that's how I messed up with him. In those weeds. Okay. And once again, got this nice one right here. This nice one right here on the, as you can see, on the LunkerHunt Link. I used the snake pattern on this one and got this one here. So that's really good. There we go. There we go. I got you locked in that time. There we go. There we go. There we go, everybody. I got that one on the top water. There we go. There we go. Woo! Nice one, everybody. Nice one there. As you can see, got him on the top water, got him on the minnow, and I got a good hook set on him. So I got him locked down on that one right there. So, all right. Hey everybody, it's Topwater Johnny here. Just want to thank you for watching this video right here. This was a special video because in this video you saw the footage of me catching my personal best on a topwater lure. That's my biggest fish ever. And also you saw footage of other bass that I caught on my topwater lure. So I'm really excited about that. What I'd like for you to do right now is below in the comment section, post what is your biggest bass and what did you catch it on? What was your biggest bass? How much did it weigh? And what was the lure you caught it on? Because it's really cool when you can remember back to that big bass you caught in that lure. That's a special time for all of us. So once again, please like, subscribe to the channel. And I want you to always remember that phrase. Keep your line tight, because when they hit those topwater lures, it's going to be a big bite. All right.